Today I'm showing you how to replace the battery in this rechargeable lamp. First up, peel off this silicone waterproof cover. Just work your fingers around the edge and it pops right off. No tools needed for this part. Next, pull out the whole inner module. Grab it from the sides and slide it straight out. Alright, now grab your screwdriver. You'll see a few screws holding the housing together. Go ahead and unscrew all of them. Quick pro tip, drop them in a small bowl so you don't lose any. Trust me, nothing's worse than losing a screw halfway through. Once those are out, you'll see the light board on top. It also has a couple of screws holding it down. Same deal, unscrew those and set them aside with the others. We're making good progress. Okay, now locate the battery connector. It's this small plug right here. Gently pull it out. And I mean gently. Don't yank on it. We don't want to damage the connector or the wires. There we go. Battery's disconnected. Now grab your replacement battery, line up the connector, and push it in until you feel it click into place. That's how you know it's seated properly. Super straightforward. Now line up the new battery connector with the port on the light board and gently push it in until it clicks. Flip the switch to confirm power. Lights on. We're good. Line up the power button. Set the light board back onto the base. And hit the switch once more to confirm it works. Now screw those 4 housing screws back in. Tighten them down snug. Place the inner cover over the module and secure it with the 2 smaller screws. Finally, drop the whole assembly into the rock housing. Press the silicone waterproof cover back on along the edges, flip the switch, and you're done. Works like brand new.